Alright, I'm gonna test this out, see if I know what I'm doing. But I'm gonna head out to 7-Eleven, get some Manapuas, I think that's how you say it, but we'll see. Let's go get a couple of them and taste test them. Package secured. Time to go back to the house and try them. Not looking forward to it. Alright, package is secured. I don't know why I got so many. I just really don't think I'm gonna like these things. But it is a taste test for a reason, I guess. So, I got 3 different kinds. They all kind of look the same. So, I guess we'll see. First one is char siu. Just feels like Play-Doh. The inside looks like. Oh, I feel sick. Oh, the smell is like. Okay. Probably overreacting. It's probably honestly not that bad. I hope. Oh. No. Nope. 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 That's gonna be a no for me. No way. I need water. No. No. I don't know which one this one is. It's either curry chicken or terry chicken. I'm gonna take a guess. It smells like curry. Looks like something that would live like in the sea. Oh no. Oh no. No. No, I know I'm not gonna like this one. The smell coming off of this is absolutely putrid. I don't even want to take. Ugh. It looks like vomit. I don't even know if you guys can tell. Oh my God. Okay. 3, 2, 1. That was a big bite. Tastes exactly like it smells. And that's not a good thing. Nope. Nope. Guess that means the terry chicken's the last one. This one doesn't really have a smell. See, it's the bun. The bun's good. The bun's good. But the inside. The inside. I think it's grossing me out even more that it's coming from 7-Eleven. So I really do not trust the meat that is inside of these at all. And I think that's what's playing the trick on my mind. Because, like, look at this. Does that look like chicken? You can't really see it, I guess. Just looks like mush. Alright. What a waste of money. Okay, so the terry chicken was probably number one. Number one in this spot still was disgusting. And then it would be the char siu. And then I don't even want to rank that curry chicken one because that was disgusting. Disgusting. Absolutely putrid. I give Manapuas, it might just be 7-Eleven Manapuas that I don't like, but I'm giving it a -3 out of 10.